Hi, my name is Princess Belle Rose. I'm 24 years old and I am the princess of Craftopia along with my husband, Prince Adam. We run a wildlife preserve and also a writing academy. It's really fun work and we have lots and lots of animals around the house all the time. In addition to the animals, I also have 11 children, and they can be quite a handful.
My Sadie!
And there they go. Look, Rouge, I'm sorry. I just can't pick a dress for the gala. They're all just so pretty. Everything on this website is beautiful.
You need to pick out one.
But I want 10.
You can't go to the gala 10 times a year.
I can do 10 costume changes?
No, it's not that long.
Maybe 3?
No! Hey, what are you talking about? Oh, stop. Well, Mom, my Sadie wants to pick out like 1,000 dresses, and I told her to pick one.
Girls, I know we can shop a lot, but you need to pick one dress. Each of you can pick one dress.
But Mom, I've already picked out like one dress. Only my Sadie needs to pick out one.
Okay, my Sadie, how many dresses do you have picked out? Like 10? Okay, that's 9 too many dresses. Let's narrow it down. Rouge, what color is your dress?
My dress is blue, just like my hair.
And my Sadie, what color dress did you want? I obviously wanted a pink dress. Okay, so how many of the dresses are pink? All 10 dresses are pink. Okay, this isn't helping. Let's pick a number 1 through 10. And whichever number you pick, that's the dress we get. Is that fair?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fair. All right, so now that we have that solved, my Sadie, pick your number 1 through 10. Number 4. All right, number 4 it is. Oh, that is a gorgeous dress. All right, hopefully these will be ready in time for the gala. Meanwhile, I still don't have anything to wear myself. But I'm glad you guys have something to wear. Thanks, Mom.
Thank you, because she is a blabbermouth. She loves pink dresses. Oh, bye, Mom.
All right, girls, I'll see you later. I need to head down to the wildlife preserve. Make sure I can check on the new baby giraffes.
Okay, bye.
Okay, now that the girls have decided what they are going to wear, I think I need to pick what I'm going to wear. This gala is so important. We're celebrating these new baby giraffes and we need a lot of donations to make sure that we can take care of them properly. I want to look spectacular. You know what? This silver bag is my absolute favorite. Maybe I should just pick a dress to go with the bag? Okay, yeah. All right. I'll get the bag and then I'm going to go to my closet and find the best dress. Okay, let's see. What is back from the cleaners? Okay, I have... No, the peplum won't do. The one with the flowers is just too dainty. Oh my goodness, I have that shiny silver one. That's it. That's the one I'm going to wear. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I need to try it on and make sure I have the perfect accessories. This gala is going to be so much fun. Okay, yes, this look is absolutely perfect, don't you think? The gala is going to be wonderful.
Mom, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, Daisy. I'm just making sure I have the perfect outfit for the gala tonight.
What am I
Well, baby, you're going to stay home with Daddy
But why?
because you have to take care of all the babies.
But I heard that my Sadie and Rouge are going.
Well, my Sadie and Rouge are teenagers. When you're a teenager, you can go too.
No, but I'm already a teenager.
Sweetie, no, you're 10.
But that's a teenager, right?
No, teenagers have the word teen behind their age.
Say, come here. Can you be my horse to go upstairs?
Baby, the dog is not a horse. Why don't you take him and feed him?
Oh, come on, Saint.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this day is finally here. We've been planning this gala for so long. It's so important to me that we make sure to introduce these new baby giraffes to the entire community and make sure they're taken care of so that everybody can see them soon. Oh, I just can't wait.
Hey, Mom. I was just talking about Dad about something. And can me and my Sadie go pick up our dresses? Can you drive us there?
Sure, sweetie. We need to be quick, though, because we have plenty to do.
Okay.
All right, so yeah, we'll pick up your dresses and you girls can get ready and then we'll go ahead and get our ride to the gala.
Do we grab our stuff that we're gonna wear to the gala and put it in the car and get dressed at the, store?
No, we'll come back because all of your makeup and hairstyling accessories are downstairs.
Oh, yeah, they are. Okay, thanks, Mom.
Okay, I'll be ready in 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna go talk to Dad about something.
Okay, Rouge. Well, I'm going to go get the girls' dresses and cross your fingers that this gala goes off without a hitch. I'll see you guys soon.